Hey everyone, so welcome back to another lesson on Introduction to Computers. So in this lesson, we are going to focus on how to create a folder, how to delete a folder, how to change the desktop background, how to turn off the computer, how to create a password to your account, and control settings of other accounts. So let's start with how to create a new folder. There are three ways of creating a new folder. The first way is create a new folder with a keyboard shortcut. So when you press Ctrl plus Shift plus N together, you can create a new folder. So I'm going to show you how to create with keyboard shortcuts. Now I'm going to press Ctrl Shift plus N. So you can see I have a new folder. So you can rename it backspace and you can put a name you like as you want. All right, so we have a new folder. The second way is by right clicking, you can create a new folder. So I press right click and there's this new section and we have a folder here. So you're just gonna click it. So we have another new folder as we want, like you can rename it as well. And the third way is create a new folder from the ribbon menu. So this is the ribbon menu. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Click on this PC and you have these folders. So if I'm gonna have a new folder in this music file, I'll just press home and you have this new folder icon. You can rename it as well. You can use pop or anything you want. All right, so let's see how you can delete a folder. So before we go into that, when you press Windows plus D, you can straight away directed to the desktop, and you press Windows plus E, you'll be immediately directed to the file explorer. So those two shortcuts will be really useful when you are working with the computer. Okay, so we have three ways to delete a folder. The first way is the keyboard shortcuts as usual. Okay, so when you press Ctrl plus D, you can delete a folder, then Control, just the delete button, and then Shift plus delete button. So I'm going to show you how to delete. So let's say I'm going to delete this folder. So I can either press Ctrl plus delete key or Shift plus delete key or just delete button. All right. Okay. So I'm going to press Ctrl plus D. So you can see the folder got deleted. And if I'm gonna delete this file as well, I'm gonna press Shift plus delete key. So D and delete key are two separate keys. So remember that. So I'm gonna press Shift plus delete key together. So you'll get a message like this. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this? So remember, when you press Shift plus delete key, the folder will get permanently deleted and you can't restore it. So remember, so be careful when you delete. So I press yes. So then the folder has gone. All right. Okay. The next way is from the ribbon menu. Okay. So I'm going to show you like this. And if I'm going to delete this, press home and you have delete and it got deleted. The third way is delete folder from the context menu. Let's say I have, let's make a new folder. Okay, now I'm going to right click. This is the context menu. Now there's this delete section. Click it and the folder will get deleted. Okay. All right. This is an interesting part where you can change your desktop background. All right. The first step is go to the desktop, right click, and then personalize. So I'm going to walk you through it. So you right click and then personalize. Then you'll be direct to the settings and you have this, you have background. You can select slideshow. When you click slideshow, the background picture will change from time to time. So here it will change from 1 minute, 1 minute. Then you can have a solid color as well. Then you can have a picture like this. If you can picture, it will change the desktop background picture to the default pictures that you have in your computer. So I'm going to click slideshow. And also if you have personal photos that you like to put it as the desktop background, you can browse from the computer. And if you have like these photos, choose this folder and you'll get these photos, whatever you like. You can click the folder and you can make your own photos, go to the background. All right. So you can also press shuffle, then it's not in the ascending or the descending order, it will shuffle the photos. And here you have a choose how to fit. You can fit, you can tile. If you tile, you'll get, you know, more like a tile photos, more photos in one picture. Most probably you will, it's good to put fit, so it will fit your desktop picture to your background. See, all right. So that's how you're gonna change the desktop background. You can also change the desktop background color to red, to red, sorry, to red, blue, or anything you like. All right, I'm just gonna put red. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on how to turn off a computer. There are three ways as well to turn off the computer. The first way is power icon in the start menu. So we here have the start menu, and here you can see there's power button and you can click shutdown. So if you sleep, it won't shut down. It will just sleep, and when you click it again or press any key, the computer will start again. If you click restart, the computer will restart again. So to shut down the computer, just press shutdown. Okay. So the next way is Control Alt Delete. So it will direct you to the login screen like this. So here you have this power button. Just click on that, and there is a shutdown, and you can click on that as well. And the next way is Alt plus F4. Click those buttons together, and you can again shut down the computer. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, like this. Okay, here, if you press OK, the computer will shut down. So that's another way. Okay, so now let's see how to create a password. So if you are using your PC or laptop with others, such as your brother, sister, or your friend, you can have different accounts. So for your account, you can have a password. So in order to create password, the first step is you have to open control panel, then select user accounts, then open user accounts, then select choose, make changes to my accounts in PC settings. Then select sign in options from the left, and under that, the password area, choose add. So here we go. So search control panel, then select user accounts. Then from in there, you have another user accounts, then select user accounts, and then select make changes to my account in PC settings. Then under that, you have sign in options. Then you can add your password. So you can give a strong password with capital letters, simple letters, numbers, anything. So make it strong and then just give a hint and then click next. Then finish it. Then here we go. You have a password. When you log in again, you have to enter your password and then log in. So next, we're going to see the control settings of other accounts. So now if you have other accounts, so learning control settings of other accounts is really essential. So the first step is search control panel, go to user accounts, and in there, select manage your account, and also you can create account, can be done in there. So I'm going to show you. Search control panel. Okay, so then select user accounts, and in there again user accounts. Then here you have the change your account type. So change your account type. If you have 2 accounts, you can make it the other account as an administrator or standard. So make sure to make the main account as the administrator. And if you have other account, you can make it as a standard account. All right. So then there we have manage another account. So here you can add another user to the account. So click add a new user in PC settings. So if I'm going to add someone else to this PC, such as a friend, and let's assume that I don't have the sign-in information. So I just click, I don't have this person's sign-in information. So if you have the Microsoft account email, so you can enter it here. So I'll just say I don't have this, and then click. Then I'll select add a user without Microsoft account. So if you have the Microsoft account, you can put your email there. So I'll just make this account name as Roterat, and then I'll put my password Roterat123. And again, you have to re-enter your password. So, and then answer these questions and then click next, and your account will be created. All right. So when you create your account, and when you log in again, your account, the other account you made will be shown like this, and you can enter your password and log in. Your main account will be visible here as well. So you can click it. If you want to go to the main account, you can click it and log in. All right, so that's the end of this lesson, and hope you understood uh, everything, and these are the basic things, and will be really useful when you are using the computer. So thank you, and hope to see you all on another lesson, and thank you.